Hi everyone, Miss Ashley here, coming to you with our Tween craft kit instructions. So since I need the microwave today, you get to see a tiny bit of the inside of our staff room. Hopefully I don't catch anyone by surprise when they come around the corner. Today we are making some lip gloss using coconut oil. We are also using some Kool-Aid powder or some just powder drink mix, favorite flavors. And if you need it, you will also be provided with sugar in your kit, just so things will taste a little bit better for you. So your first job is to gather all of your supplies. It's kind of a random mishmash that you're going to need. You're going to need the coconut oil that has been measured into the little plastic containers inside of your kit. It is about 2 tablespoons or so. If you need to, you can grab your measuring cups. Certainly feel free to give it a measure and make sure I'm on top of things here. I also grabbed one of our plastic spoons just to kind of scoop everything around, so you'll probably need a couple of those. You might want to have them handy. From home, you're also going to need something that is microwave safe that you can toss in the microwave for a few seconds. Make sure it's something that's not going to get damaged or cause any problems inside your microwave. So I grabbed one of our ceramic mugs. You are also going to need from home, you're going to need a little bit of water. Now I've got mine set aside. There's no set amount, it's just to kind of make a paste later, but you do want that out and ready. You're also going to need another bowl to mix everything in and something to kind of whisk things together or mix well. This was the best that I had on hand, so we're going to give that a whirl, see if it works. And then like I said, your coconut oil, your sugar, and your powdered drink mix will be inside of your kit, along with something I have been holding on to for a long time just to find the perfect craft or activity to use them up with. I have some old film canisters that I'm excited to repurpose and use. So we've got those for your container as well. So to get started, you are going to grab your coconut oil, 2 tablespoons full. You're going to put it inside of your cup for the microwave. Start off by microwaving it for about 5 seconds. You don't want it to be a liquid. You want it to be soft enough to mix, but you definitely don't want it in liquid form. So I'm going to run to the microwave and I will be right back. All right, everyone, so it looks like my coconut oil needed about 12 to 15 seconds total to get to a good consistency here. Like I said, it's not in liquid, it's a little goopy, but definitely don't want it to be totally see-through here. So I've got that ready to go. Next, you are going to, got my recipe sitting right here. You are going to, oh yes, time for your powdered drink mix. Now, if you've got something lying around at home that you'd rather use instead of what I gave you inside your kit, feel free to use it. I'm gonna use a couple of these since they are kind of small. Starburst Pink. Can you tell it's my favorite? So grab your bowl, get these open and into, goodness, of course. There we go. I can never get these open. I should have known better. Oh, they smell good. Get these into your bowl. Ha! I got that one on the first try. Progress. Oh my goodness, they smell delicious. All right. So now is the time you want to grab your water. Now you kind of want this to be a bit of a paste. You don't want it to be really soupy. Okay, so we're gonna give it a go. And of course, wouldn't be Miss Ashley without making a mess here. Make sure you've got your cleanup supplies handy. Okay, so, yep, just a little bit of water until you start to get, see, the color that you want. Kind of mix it. It's not gonna all completely dissolve, but you wanna mix it up. Oh, I can smell it. As much as you can. Okay. I think that looks good. Now it's time to grab your coconut milk and you're going to add coconut milk. Ha! Coconut oil. You're gonna add a little bit at a time here. until you get the color that you like. We'll see how that goes. Got about half, maybe a little bit more than that inside my bowl. I don't know if you can see. Yep, and you just want to get it kind of work together as best as you can. Oh, I love it. It smells yummy. Who knew we'd be making lip gloss at the library? Ah. Okay, I think I need a little bit more oil. I'm actually going to mix almost all of it in, everyone. So if you want to go ahead and do that, give it a whirl. Okay, don't have too much left in that cup. Ah, yes, the more coconut oil you add, the lighter it's going to get. Okay, and the oil kind of helped dissolve any bits of, perfect, any bits of the powdered drink mix that didn't quite dissolve in the water. I love it. Okay, I don't know if you can see, I'm at a pretty good consistency. Now the hard part, trying to get this lined up and into this little tiny container. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to go for broke, grab my spoon, it's a little bit smaller here, wipe off the edge. Oh, that's probably gonna work much better. Yep, and I'm gonna spoon it in. Gonna make a little bit of a mess, gonna have to wipe off the outside, but I think that'll work the best. Okay, almost there, and it looks like it's probably, with the depth of the film canister here, it's probably going to take and have enough room for my entire batch of lip gloss. Definitely smells just like a Starburst. Look at that. All right. See if I can get some of that off the outside. Made a little bit of a mess. Not too bad. Okay. There we have it. Here is our lip gloss. Let's give it a whirl. Perfect. I love it. Didn't even need the sugar. I am going to send some with you just in case you need to make another batch. You happen to use some Kool-Aid at home. Regular plain old Kool-Aid without any kind of sugar in it is extremely sour. So keep that in mind. You'll have that sugar there if you decide to use that. You don't really need to, but there you have it. Here's our lip gloss. I think I'll make up some fancy little labels to put on these, and there you have it. We're all set. So hopefully you make your lip gloss at home and have some fun. See you soon. Time to clean up my mess. Bye.